Imagine a world where human creativity and machine precision unite to create the perfect product. Welcome to Industry 5.0. On a factory floor in Copenhagen, Lars, a seasoned craftsman, works alongside a sleek silver robot, assembling custom-designed bicycles with unmatched precision. To understand Industry 5.0, we must revisit the milestones of past industrial revolutions, from steam engines to smart factories. Unlike Industry 4.0's automated systems, Industry 5.0 values human problem-solving, emotional intelligence, and adaptability. Environmental stewardship is now imperative. Industry 5.0 emphasizes eco-friendly practices, aiming for zero waste and minimal carbon footprints. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed global supply chain vulnerabilities. Industry 5.0 aims to build robust systems that withstand disruptions. Today's consumers demand products tailored to their preferences. Industry 5.0 enables mass customization, delivering personalized products efficiently. Collaborative robots, or cobots, work safely alongside humans, enhancing productivity and reducing workplace injuries. AI and IoT technologies optimize processes and ensure seamless coordination throughout the production process, making manufacturing more efficient. As we embrace this human-centric revolution, the focus is on amplifying human intelligence and creativity. Are we ready to embrace Industry 5.0?